Hello my dear students, today lecture number 3 from the vectors chapter. Here the angle between two vectors. Suppose I will consider the two vectors a bar and b bar. They are making an angle theta. If you observe the theta is in between tail part of the two vectors. Or if you observe this one, b bit. Here also I took the angle between the two vectors for the head part. How to find the angle between two vectors? Nothing but by taking two tail parts or by taking two head parts, we can measure the angle between the two vectors. Next, orthogonal vectors. If the angle between the two vectors 90 degrees, then those type of vectors we can say as orthogonal vectors. Orthogonal unit vectors. Suppose I will consider here three-dimensional system or space, we can say. For the space of three dimension, we have x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Here I cap, if you represent cap, that will be the unit vector. I cap equal to unit vector along x-axis, and the formula for I cap is x bar by mod x. Mod x is nothing but magnitude, x bar is the vector. From this x bar equal to mod x into I cap. Mod x is dividing in the right side, coming to left side, you will multiply. Mod x into I cap. J cap unit vector along y-axis. J cap unit vector along y-axis. I cap unit vector along x-axis. K cap unit vector along z-axis. See, to measure the value for the vectors, y bar equal to mod y into j cap. K cap is nothing but z bar by mod z. From that z bar equal to mod z into k cap. A vector of 3 units along x-axis is x bar equal to 3 into I cap. 3 represents magnitude, I cap is the unit vector along x-axis. See, by using this orthogonal unit vectors, we can find the some values of vectors. Suppose I want to measure 2 units of distance along positive y-axis. How you measure? Positive y-axis is nothing but y bar equal to 2 units. I am asking 2 is the magnitude. And the y-axis having the unit vector j cap. So we can represent the value of distance on the y-axis equal to y bar equal to 2 into j cap. Suppose I want to measure 3 units of distance in minus x-axis. How we measure minus x-axis means x bar equal to 3 units distance, minus x-axis means minus 3 into which direction x-axis na you can take as I cap. If they mention minus z-axis, minus k cap. If they mention plus z-axis, you can take as plus k cap. That magnitude value into unit vector you need to multiply. Position vector. A vector can be represented with respect to some fixed point or frame of reference is called position vector. Position vector concept is very important to solve the problems in motion in a plane concept. Position vector is measured by using the reference point or frame of reference with respect to fixed point. In the two-dimensional or plane coordinates, we need to take the reference point as origin, the OP bar as vector equal to R bar. How you find the position vector? OP bar is nothing but R bar. OP bar equal to how much distance? P point from the x-axis is x I cap distance. For the y-axis is y j cap distance. So now you will get P point as x I cap comma y j cap. To represent it in the vector form, OP bar equal to x I cap plus y j cap equal to R bar. And how to find the magnitude? To find the magnitude, if you draw the one line here, this will be the 90 degrees. OP, if you take A, OPA is the right angle triangle. So here the magnitude value is x units. Either will be 3 units, 4 units. So you can take it as magnitude, and x will be the adjacent side and this will be the opposite side. If you take theta here, how to find the length of OP, hypotenuse equal to, from the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. OP square equal to OA square plus AP square. OP square is nothing but mod R square. OA equal to x square, magnitude value. AP is parallel to y is the magnitude here, y square. So from this mod R square coming to right side root of x square plus y square. Dimensional position vector mod OP equal to mod R equal to square root of x square plus y square. In the 3 dimension you can add plus z square. Why? Because you have z axis also. So you will get in the 3 dimension the position vector will be in 3 dimension. Position vector will be OP bar equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap, and magnitude will be mod OP or mod r bar equal to square root of x square plus y square plus z square. So this is about the position vector concept. Using the position vector you can find the velocity also. Position vector concept is helpful to find the relation between the relative motion between the two persons or relative motion between the two trains. So relative motion between the two cars in the motion in a plane concept, this position vector concept is very important.